So, I'm going to put into Dusty a new boot cover. I bought a rubber boot cover then. Something we've got in the boot is this boot tidy, which my one regret about buying the rubber overlay is the fact that this boot tidy's got Velcro on the bottom, and of course that attaches really easily to the carpet in the actual boot itself. This thing's just from the middle of Lidl. So yeah, middle of the Lidl shopping aisle. My son liked it so much, he found one in Aldi, but when he bought it and got it home, it was much smaller, but I really like this one. AOJSUP. Don't know how you pronounce that. That's the company that make it. There's the flat tyre pack that came with the Duster. Okay, cool. It's nice because it's got a lip on it all the way around. I couldn't figure out this when I was looking at the pictures on Amazon. I couldn't figure out why there was a lip here, but it's because there's a bar where the seat split. What is it, 70-30, something like that. You know what they haven't accounted for? I've just realised. The tether downs. Oh no, it pushes down. Okay, that's my ignorance. So the tether down hoops, one either side, left and right, they actually push down. There's a cutaway on the left side. It doesn't go all the way into the little alcovey bit that's there. That's the shame, but I suspect it'll be enough. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. That's fitting the 74 plate Duster, no problem. Right, that's the boot tidy back in. Puncture repair kit, which also came with Velcro on the back, which obviously would attach to the floor, but I've got sidewalls which are carpet. Yeah, there you go, that's attached. Keep that in place. And 10 million bags for life in a box, which we keep in here because that can hold some of the shopping. Alright, cool.